Ever seen those adorable miniature world videos? They're insanely cute, right? Well, guess what? I've cracked the code on how to create those stunning tiny worlds using AI, and in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. Trust me, this is the only tutorial you'll need to master this unique niche. Right now, this is an untapped market with just a handful of creators exploring it. Jump in early, and you've got a golden opportunity to make serious money on YouTube. Why waste your energy in a mentally draining job, earning peanuts, when some creators are waking up at noon, working for just a few hours, and still earning 50 times more? It's no joke. There are YouTubers raking in 6 figures just by sticking to smart niche strategies. Honestly, I could be doing this myself and stacking cash, but my goal is to help you. If you're stuck in a job you hate or struggling financially, I'm here to guide you. A few years back, I was in the same boat. Now I run 5 successful channels that bring in thousands every month. I've achieved what I need. Now it's time to give back and share the knowledge. All I ask in return, hit that subscribe button to keep me motivated to create more free content for you. All right, enough chit-chat, grab some snacks and coffee because we're diving right in. Step 1, generating ideas. First things first, how do you come up with ideas for these miniature world videos? What should the scenes look like? How should the workers appear? Every detail matters, and AI can help us nail it. To get the perfect ideas, you need a powerful, detailed prompt. Now, I know exactly what the toughest part of the video creation process is. It's not the editing, not even the visuals. It's writing the right prompt for ChatGPT to deliver perfect results. Sounds familiar? Writing prompts can be a headache, but don't worry, I've got your back. I've already created a ready-to-use prompt list for you, which I'll be using throughout the video. I put a ton of effort into perfecting these prompts, so don't even think about leaving without liking, sharing, and subscribing. Here's what you need to do. Copy the first prompt from the description. I've packed in every tiny detail to ensure you get the best results. Once copied, paste it into ChatGPT, and you're good to go. If possible, grab some screenshots from similar videos and upload them alongside your prompt. This helps ChatGPT understand your vision better. As you can see, ChatGPT has already generated 10 unique ideas for us. If you have something specific in mind, simply tell ChatGPT, hey, generate ideas like this too, and it'll instantly expand the list. Pretty cool, right? Step 2, generating AI images. To create the perfect images, you need a perfect prompt. Don't worry, I've already prepared that for you too. Go back to the description, copy the next prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT along with the chosen idea. Pause here and write it down. In return, ChatGPT will generate 5 detailed scene prompts based on your idea. This makes creating engaging, longer videos a breeze. Want to add more scenes? Just tell ChatGPT, include more scenes, and it'll generate additional prompts for you. Easy, right? Now, what if you find a video you love and want to recreate it? Simple. Take screenshots of each scene from that video. Then, open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm going to recreate this video. Please analyze these screenshots and generate detailed AI prompts for each shot. Upload your screenshots and bam! ChatGPT will provide you with perfectly detailed prompts to recreate the video with precision. Step 3, creating AI images. For this, we'll use TensorArt AI. Here's what you need to do. Sign up for TensorArt AI. You'll get some free credits. Select text to image under model selection. Choose Flux for the best results. Go to size settings and set aspect ratio to portrait. Copy your prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose the number of images you want and hit generate. I've already created 2 images using these exact steps, and they turned out pretty amazing. So definitely try this tool. Another great option is Leonardo.ai. Select the Phoenix model for the best outcome. In the aspect ratio settings, choose the mobile format. Then, paste your prompt into the text box and boom, stunning results. In no time, let's try the lifelike version now. It's not that good. For the best results, always stick to the Phoenix model. Step 4, generating videos. Now let's move on to creating AI-generated videos. For this, Kling AI is my top recommendation. However, Kling AI can be time-consuming unless you go for their pro plan. If you're looking for a free alternative, Hilo AI is your best bet. They let you generate free videos daily. Just upload your image, reuse the same prompt, or a simple one like workers working, and hit generate. The results are incredible. Step 5, editing the final video. Now that we have our video clips, it's time to merge them. I'll be using CapCut AI, but feel free to use your preferred video editor. Before you start editing, head over to Pixabay and grab some matching sound effects. For my video, I'll be using sounds like rocket, factory, and similar effects to enhance the overall vibe. Next, visit the YouTube audio library and pick a great background track. If you're editing on mobile, use a trending song from the Shorts or Instagram library to boost engagement. Now open CapCut and upload all your videos and sound effects. Add each clip to the timeline in sequence. adjusting the speed and quality for a smoother finish. After arranging the scenes, head to the Transitions tab and apply smooth transitions between each scene. Keep these transitions around 2 seconds for a natural flow. Lastly, go to the Filter section and apply Clear Enhance or any other filter that complements your video style. Then sync your sound effects with the visuals, and you're done. That's how you can create miniature world videos with tiny workers and gain millions of views on YouTube. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover next. Now, let's check out our demo video.